Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you a triple supertrend strategy with Trinity Impulse. And first there's a new indicator I want to show you. It's called triple supertrend. Okay, I'll give you the link down below. So it's basically the three supertrend all in one. So I use default settings, and the good thing about this indicator, you have an alert. Okay, you can set up alert here, and if the supertrend becomes all red and all green, you have an alert. So that's a good thing about it. Okay, and another thing is it's called Trinity Impulse. Okay, I use default settings, and then the no nonsense ATR. So you put 2 here and 2 here. All right. So the way we trade this is when all the three supertrend become red, yeah, basically you wait for the Trinity Impulse to go below 0. Okay, it goes below 0, and then you wait for the Trinity Impulse to go back to 0. Okay, so it's 0. Okay, it flat 0 like that. So you click on the candle. Okay, so here is your stop loss and TP. So it's 2 times ATR. Okay, so the supertrend all has to be red. The 3 of them have to be red, and it goes to 0. And you only take the first time that this happened, and then you have to wait for supertrend to change color again for it to reset. Okay, so if you don't understand, I'm going to show you. Okay. All right, so okay, the supertrend changed color, so it changed to all red again. So it's considered as a reset. So we wait for Trinity Impulse to go to 0 again. Okay, it goes to 0, so we enter here. So we click on a candle. So here is sell. All right. Okay, we got that one, and then okay, it green become red, all red again. So it's a reset. Okay, it goes below. If it's go above 0, it doesn't count. Okay, it's only go it must go at 0, not above it. All right, so sell here 29. All right, so and then because we only take the first time that this happened. Okay, so we already take the first one. So we are going to wait for the supertrend to change color again in order for it to reset. Okay, so we're not taking this, although we can enter here, but we're not taking this because we only take the first time that this happened when all of them are red. Okay, so the second time we don't take it. So we have to wait the supertrend to change color for it to reset. I hope you understand what I mean. And okay, so all green, and then it goes to 0. So we enter here. Okay, enter here, all green, and you can also use the middle supertrend as your stop loss if you want. You can target 2 to 1 or 1.5 to 1 reward risk. It's really up to you. Okay, so we got stop that, and here we have another sell. Okay, all red, and it goes to 0. Okay, so we have to wait for to change color again. Okay, so we don't take here because we only take the first time. Okay, 16. Okay, it goes to 0. Yeah. Oops, sorry. It goes to 0. So we sell here. So if you don't understand, just ask me a question down below. I'll answer every comment. Okay, so okay, all green, and then you wait for it to go to 0. So you buy here. So basically, when you're targeting 1-to-1, I'm expecting like a 60% win rate at least. Okay, so we have another. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, we have buy here. Buy here. Okay, got stopped out. Okay, waiting for it. Okay, so buy here. 20, 20. Okay, we got it. Okay, so far we're making 1,400. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, we got it. Okay, here. Okay, so if it's if let's say if the signal is too far away, okay, if okay, so here when it starts to get all red, the Supertrend, and then if it's too far away, okay, when you have signal too far away, you probably won't take this. Okay, it's better not to take this. But in the back test, I'm going to take every signal. But if you're trading this, don't take this if it's too far away. Okay. Okay, so cannot take here because it's red. All right, here we have a sell. Okay, get stopped out. Sell here. We find. Okay, so I'm gonna test this 100 times. Okay, but first we see how many wins we have. Okay, so far we 15 trade and we win 11 and 4 loss. So I'm gonna test this 100 times. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay, so here is the result of 100 tests. So Euro USD 1 hour chart from here till here. So we get 4,000 profit, and this is a $10,000 account. I risk 2% per trade. So we have a 60 profit trade and 40 loss trade. So this is 1-to-1. Okay, so if you're targeting 1-to-1, ideally you want the win rate to be like more than 60%. Okay, at least 60% and above. So it's around 60 to 67%. So it does have an edge. All right. So here we have max consecutive wins 8 and max consecutive loss 5. So you don't have to target 1-to-1. Okay, you can target 2-to-1. And I have another triple Supertrend strategy called triple Supertrend pullback strategy. So it does better than this. And make sure you check out that video as well. Yeah. So this is the equity curve. Okay, so this is an equity curve. Okay, we suffer losses here. But if I continue back test, I might have more than 60%. Okay, because we have a losing streak here. So I stop the back test when we have a losing streak. But if I continue to back test, I might have more than 60%. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So make sure you check out that triple Supertrend pullback video. Okay, so I think it's the best triple Supertrend strategy I've tested. Okay, thanks.